In September 1890, a man named Louis Le Prince boarded a train in Dijon, France. He never arrived at the other end. No body, no luggage, no witnesses. He simply was not there when the train pulled in. What makes this so strange is who he was. Louis Le Prince had already filmed moving images on camera 2 full years before the Lumiere brothers, the men history credits with inventing cinema. He had a working device, real footage, and he was about to travel to New York to show the world what he had built. Then he disappeared 3 weeks before that demonstration. His family begged authorities for answers. The investigation went nowhere. Some historians believe he was murdered to protect the patents of a powerful American rival. Others think he staged his own death. A face matching his was later found in a Paris police photo of an unidentified body from that same year. But the image was never confirmed. The man who may have invented movies never got to show the world what he made.